Here, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CTIX. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this one multiple times, and in fact, this line you see here was from one of the previous videos I've done. I can't remember exact date I did it, but if you go back and look through the video archives, you can figure that out. But I did want to leave this up here and just extend this across. Not so much to pat myself on the back, but definitely to pat charts on the back and the use of technical analysis. Way back when I drew this line, again, I'm not sure of what that date is, but I drew it because it was a key level of resistance, and you can see that by simply using previous highs, did a great job of forecasting this area of resistance, and then from today, once again, forecasted this area of resistance. Yes, I know the price intraday broke above it, but because we're looking at the daily chart, we care about where the close was. So again, not patting myself on the back, but just charts in general and why I really think they're valuable to use and learn how to incorporate into your strategy. So we'll get back to this point up there, but I just did want to start off there. So first things first, crazy day. My guess would be some sort of news or something came up. Massive volume, price gapped up very nicely, made a nice run, and then by the end of the day, came back down here and closed. But not too surprising, and I say that just because when you figure all the people that bought shares on this move here, and then all the people that accumulated down here, there were a lot of people that, number one, just wanted to get out, and then number two, were in the profit after this gap up. When I say wanted to get out, they bought up here and then it went against them. So for those people that were hanging on shares saying, you know what, next time it gets up into this area, I'm just going to break even. Well, this was their day, got up in their area, and they broke even. And then you had all these people for scenario two that were accumulating during this low volume move, which, good on them because the overall context is bullish, accumulating, and then they simply sold out here for a profit. So I think a lot of this had to do with people just saying, finally, I can get out broken even, and then profit takers, and that probably turned into a bit of panic selling. So that's what I would attribute today with. The reason I'm not too concerned is from the overall chart perspective, everything is still bullish. Mainly, price is still above the key moving averages. The first one being the 50-day simple moving average right here. The second one being the 200-day simple moving average at pink line. And as long as the price remains above these two moving averages, which it's been doing for a while now, then the overall context does go to the bulls in terms of the overall chart and how things appear. Now, if you're a day trader and you're bought up here, sure, the chart has a different perspective to you, but like I said, I'm talking about the overall chart perspective. And on that note, as long as these levels of support continue to hold, mainly 194, which is the 50-day simple moving average, and 178, which is the 200-day simple moving average, then you got to give the nod to the bulls for the overall advantage. In terms of resistance levels, this level up here, we'll call it right around 225, remains the key level that you want to see some closes above. It's broken above it intraday, but for quite a while now, the price hasn't been able to close above it. So that's the key thing there to show this strength from the bulls is to close up above that 225 area. All in all, still a good looking chart. I'd attribute a lot of this today to the profit taking and so forth. So we'll have to see what the rest of this week brings, as it is only Monday. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for our free newsletter up there. When you do that, you'll be sent a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click below and look at our educational course, over 8.5 hours of education and teaching. It's been getting great third-party reviews. So I'd encourage you to make an investment into yourself as a trader and into your education and check it out. One more time, this was CTIX. Thanks for listening.